Hi, my name is Olivia and we are getting ready for the UAE National Day here at Hello Chef, so we thought we'd cook a chicken machboos today. So the machboos is a national dish in most of the Gulf countries and the surrounding areas as well. And ours will be done with chicken and raisins and fried onions. So nice saffrony, sweet flavors in this machboos. Let's get started. Step 1. We'll start by chopping the chicken thighs into chunks. Then peel and chop the red onion and garlic. Chop the tomatoes. And peel the potatoes and chop them into bite-sized cubes. Split the cardamom pods open with the back of a knife. Then boil the measured water and dissolve the chicken stock cube in it. And finally, rinse and drain the Basmati rice. Step 2. Heat a large pot over a medium-high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. You can use any oil here that you have handy in your kitchen. Then fry the chicken and red onion with a pinch of salt for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the garlic, tomatoes, potatoes, rinsed and drained basmati rice, the cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, cumin, turmeric and black pepper. Cook for 2 minutes. Step 3. Here we'll add the chicken stock, the saffron and the golden raisins. We'll bring to a boil and we'll stir it once. After that, we reduce the heat to low and we cover it with a lid. We'll let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the water is absorbed. The rice is tender and the potatoes are soft. Step 4. Frying the onion. So meanwhile, peel the brown onion and slice it into thin rings. Heat the pan over high heat with the ghee. Once hot, add the onion rings and fry until brown. Step 5. Halve and juice the limes. Chop the fresh coriander. Add the lime juice, chopped coriander and almond flakes to the chicken machboos and give everything a good mix. Step 6. Here we'll serve. So divide the chicken machboos among plates and top with the fried onion. Finally, enjoy bilafia. I can't wait to dig into this beautiful chicken machboos right now. But before I do that, I just wanted to wish you all a happy UAE National Day. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today. And to watch our weekly videos, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's try.